Hello my dear students, how are you all? Students, today we are going to learn a very interesting experiment which was performed by Millikan's, and he used this experiment oil droplets. That's why this method is called as oil drops method. और हम इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में मालूम क्या होता देख रहे हैं, हमें चार्ज ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉन को कैलकुलेट करके बताया गया. जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में इस्तेमाल हुआ था वो भी बहुत स्पेशली डिज़ाइंड है. अब हम इसके बारे में पढ़ते हैं. We begin with the name of God. In this experiment in 909, Millikan performed using oil droplets and the charge of the electron was calculated. He used a very specially designed instrument in which a metallic chamber was used. This is the metallic chamber. And this metallic chamber is provided or adjusted with a vacuum pump to create vacuum inside the chamber. And there are two electrodes also, anode and cathode. So what happens? One side atomizer is placed in which fine droplets of oils are produced. The other side a microscope is placed to see what is happening inside the chamber. And these two electrodes are creating electrical field in this area where the oils are sprayed. And you can also see there is a tiny hole on the anode through which oil droplets will come down in this area. Another side, X-ray are produced. Now these X-rays will be generated and released in this chamber where these droplets will be ionized. Now see what happens. How it was conducted. The velocity of the oil drops depends upon its weight. So we see what happens when oil droplets are produced by the atomizer. They are released here, and through this tiny hole the oil droplets come down in this chamber, and the velocity they will move will be observed here. This is the first velocity. यानी ऑयल ड्रॉपलेट्स को बग़ैर किसी इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड के जब वहाँ से ड्रॉप करवाया जाता है तो उसकी वेलोसिटी को मेजर किया जाता है. ये वेलोसिटी उसके मास और उसके एक्सेलरेशन विच इज़ g के प्रोडक्ट के बराबर है. नेक्स्ट फिर इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड को अप्लाई किया जाता है. जब इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड को अप्लाई किया जाता है तो एक्स रेज भी रिलीज़ की जाती हैं. ये एक्स रेज इन ऑयल ड्रॉपलेट्स को चार्ज कर देती हैं. अब वेलोसिटी को दोबारा ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है और अब जो वेलोसिटी है वो इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड और उसके चार्ज में से सब्ट्रैक्ट होकर आएगी. नाउ वी सी क्वांटिटेटिवली व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. नाउ द फर्स्ट वेलोसिटी v1 is directly proportional to mass and gravitational acceleration यानी mg. This is our equation number 1. जब आयनाइजेशन हो जाती है ड्रॉपलेट्स की यानी इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड अप्लाई करके एक्स रेस को हिट किया जाता है तो जो सेकेंड वेलोसिटी है वो इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में हम देखेंगे. यहाँ पर कैपिटल E रिप्रेजेंट्स द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड which is the value we know, and E means the charge of the electron. Now if we divide first velocity by the second velocity, means if we divide both of the equations 1 by equation 2, we see mg upon capital E electrical field multiplied by charge of the electron subtracting mg. Now Millikan observed that when we change the strength of the electrical field, the charge on the each droplet was different. यानी Millikan found that the charge on the each droplet was different. And the smallest charge which he found was 1.59 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb, which is very close to the recent value. This smallest charge on any droplet is the charge of one electron. And the other droplets, means the heavier or bigger droplets, carry double or triple of the amount of this charge. And this charge present on one electron is the smallest charge of electricity that has been measured. Now we see the mass of the electron can also be calculated by the charge of electron. The charge of the electron is 1.60 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulombs. इससे पहले जे थॉमसन ने हमें चार्ज ओवर मास रेशो भी कैलकुलेट करके दिया था, दैट इज 1.7588 into 10 raised to the power 11 coulombs per kg. By rearranging the equations, we can also calculate the mass of electron, which is found to be 9.1095 into 10 raised to the power minus 31 kg. So, आज के टॉपिक में हमने चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन बाय ऑयल ड्रॉप मेथड कैलकुलेट सीखा और मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन को कैसे कैलकुलेट किया वो भी सीखा. यानी इलेक्ट्रॉन से रिलेटेड तमाम कॉन्स्टेंट्स को कैलकुलेट किया गया. इन टॉपिक्स को अच्छी तरह समझने के लिए इनके इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स की लर्निंग करनी होगी और उसके बाद जिस प्रिंसिपल पे ये काम कर रहे थे, यानी जो ख़ास एक्सपेरिमेंट और ऑब्जर्वेशंस परफॉर्म किए गई, वो सबको मेमोराइज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And finally, I am leaving you with this very important topic. You just watch the video again and again and go through the topic from the textbook. It is very important to understand the topic fully. And I will come again. And one more thing, that if you have not subscribed this channel, please do it and press the bell icon, because whenever I'm going to upload a new video, you can see the whole library at one click. Thank you very much, class. May God bless you. And take care.